Let's talk about the 5 biggest mistakes people make in real estate. Mistake 1. They buy the whole property, all their money locked up in one deal. Solution? With tokenization, you invest fractionally. You control the size of your position. Mistake 2. No tenants, months of zero income. Solution? E-estate properties are short-term rentals, booked, managed, and paying daily. Mistake 3. Overspending on renovation and furniture. Solution: our apartments come fully renovated, furnished, and revenue ready. Mistake 4. They expect quick exits, like stocks. Solution: with e-estate, the terms are clear: 18 months high-end phase, then 10% annual income for life. Mistake 5. They wait, overthink, miss the window. Solution: e-estate starts paying you from day one. You don't wait, you earn. I've seen these mistakes again and again. That's why I'm here, in a real unit generating real income, the smart way. This is e-estate. We fix what traditional real estate broke.